hello friend.
Kecengsi kardom kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana fans tamila pen pini nali to mafan la so video long na ke wan pila bangke Assam long pen 108 ambulance la so Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK nali tum fan la so video long na wan piglo nali tum details mote klar daga lam kai kia so na so video long si thekpon long ikpo nali tum la so YouTube channel long jok se na kamri milang prote chingon pen subscribing on la pen latest update kilong versi apan Belajan teknologi hoda stamina litum berpori diano lapen video stamina mesen prote nalitum tenepin pen nalitum share porigon tadi non Assam long pen PAKLANG pon 108 laso Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le lang pononang lapen cethan pononang tadi non patiek pen cethan pononang keceng sinalitum tek ponlong ikjin name of organization labangke EMRI mate Green Health Service Guwahati Assam pen lapen name of post labangke EMT lapen pilot driver post kaduka vipen da post vacancies to 80 post and da PAKLANG pon iklo lapen job location labangke anywhere in Assam mate Assam arlo na hox tamen nalitum panang tang ikpo jong nalitum la Voreng Avarsai long undun polotangte lapen apply mode labangke online view email mate email men nalitum details on the apply do nang pola son thak last date labang kenon la so achiklo 15 October 2024 si last date lo nali tum si kapre update kachini kang tung pulte nal tum Facebook kalite nal tum WhatsApp group long stame nang join don ekta me hoda stame nal tum thekpon long exi kalite pulte nal tum Telegram channel long stame hoda stame thekpon long ikpo tangte non angton pen details da lang polna Keceng sinalitum dak tekmolong exi the recruitment drive by EMRI Green Health Service aim to fill 80 vacancies for EMT and driver position. Below we break down the roles, eligibility criteria and other important details. Nalitum dak pen tekmolong ikpo keceng sinalitum number 1 long EMT mat emergency medical technical afan dakadu kawepen kipipon 40 apus vacancies and the thakpon iklo lapen eligibility criteria mate diakta required eligibility labangke kachar leng dengki unangji labangke BSc in biology long unangpo lapen arta labangke dak 25 years arta tumsi jogdun long ikpo lapen job location bangke anywhere in Assam na hox tamenalitum long plot nalitum na hox tame claims tamening hanglo lapen kachar leng deng nalitum thekpon long ikji BSc biology an unangji lapen apos bangke 40 an dak pipon lo EMT Voreng Avarsai afan bangke lapen dak puthot ki tokpon duthula nanitum dak theklongsi provided immediate medical care in the patient during emergency lapen dak assist in transporting patient to medical facilities safely lapen collaborate with the healthcare professional and the response to emergency infinitely lapen maintenance equipment and supplies in the ambulance to ensure readiness for emergency situation hai kamsi alang li tumpan EMT tumpan makke tang ponik po laben putha dak duthula nani tum thekpon long exi pilot driver afan dakadu kawe pen 40 apus an dak pi poniklo kachar leng deng SS pass tame high school pass te choglo nani tum lapen driving license ma du nang po arta labang ke 25 years ansi arta tumsi jogdun lang pola pen calculation ponji labang ke 1st July 2024 pensi dak calculation pon ikpo lapen dia ikta lapen job location labang ke nani tum thek pon longji anywhere in Assam lapen job responsibility for driver atum bangke copy PSI sida ke claim pon engzima labang ke dak operate emergency vehicle light ambulance to transport patients safely lapen ensure timely arrived at emergency scenes and transportation to hospital lapen son that dak dotla maintenance to upkeep of vehicles to ensure they are in the optimal working condition lapen dotula nalitum thekpolangji follow traffic regulation and ensure safely driving practice during the emergency lahai hui nalitum da un nangpo lase interested candidate atum bangke nalitum jongsi jogdun exipute gmail pensi nalitum pinangpo kedang sodila bangke detail of resume mat nalitum kadoka we documents nang ikpo lapen recent passport photograph lapen application deadline labang kenang tum dak thek ponang si 15 October 2024 si last date lo application submission ponang ji labang kenang tum thek long ji step 1 labang ke prepare a detailed resume including your educational qualification, work experience and other relevant details nalitum pinampo lapen attach a recent passport size photograph labang kenang ikpo lapen nalitum kisen ponang ji email labang kenang tum da screen along thek pon long ikji send the application view email a visit kalita mri.in lapen dipankar das mri.in so av gmail nalitum bangke send ponang po lapen mention the position name EMT pilot EMT or pilot the subject line of your email mate email on nalitum tok dana po ko suppose pan nalitum ka apply den ma the suppose amen mention the nang po the last date labang kan nalitum thek ponlong ikpo 15 October 2024 si last date lo so apra nalitum jog Prabjen pen claim don ji pulte claim don iktame la penale tum thek ponlong ji notification release tar la bangke ongoing lo non cheng igwailo la pen last date la bangke 15 October 2024 si last date lo la pen interview date la bangke nale tum stamelong daprang po interview date piponote la so YouTube channel on stamel nale tum thek pon long igji la pen pini Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK langke than ponji la bangke la answer lo la penale tum jang sining hang polte jogdon iktame ninghang he polte la bangke ninghang helo stame video ke share banale tum tenepon ikdadri tangde pinia video long bangla anle ton pon ignang la se domi thakme kaduka ve karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do an fan stame lihen pen kardom
to change your